Welcome all to the Concept in Short Duration video series. So the topic at hand for today is pulse jet engine. As you can see in the figure, the engine consists of a diffuser, a valve grid mechanism, a spark plug, a fuel supply link and a nozzle. These components are much similar to the ramjet engine about which we learned yesterday in the previous video. In addition to that, there is an extra valve grid mechanism here. So jumping straight to the working of this, the air enters to the inlet diffuser, gains a rise in pressure, moves towards the combustion chamber where with the help of a spark plug and a fuel spray it is ignited and the air gains further heat and pressure value in the combustion chamber. Now in the combustion chamber, the air is at a high pressure and the valve is closed because this is a one-way operating valve. So to expand, the air moves forward towards the nozzle where it loses the pressure energy by changing it into kinetic energy and gaining a high velocity at the outlet. The difference in the velocities at the inlet and outlet generates a thrust, which is how we use this pulse jet engine. Now in the combustion chamber, when the air once has gained high heat and pressure, because it cannot move back as the valves are one-way operated valves, so when the air moves towards the nozzle, suddenly there is a drop in the pressure in combustion chamber and the air in the diffuser then is at high pressure. This difference in pressure causes the valve to open and the air from the diffuser rushes in towards the combustion chamber to equilibrate the reduced pressure. So you can see how there is an alternate cycles of high pressure and low pressure generated here, causing a pulse effect. This is why the engine is named as pulse jet engine. The cycle frequency of these pulses can be as high as 500 cycles per second. And some other important points about this is that the spark plug is only used to initiate the combustion, because once the combustion is initiated and the reaction is set, the temperature is attained to sustain the reaction and the spark plug is turned off. Even the residual combustion flames are more than enough to propel the reaction forward. Now because this engine generates high pulses or waves of high and low alternating pressure, this causes a huge vibration in the system. So clearly this cannot be used as a passenger aircraft or any type of aircraft where comfortability is preferred. So this kind of engine is mostly used in drones and bombers. Now one special point here to note is that unlike other prop engines, the combustion here occurs at constant volume. The thrust is generated due to the difference in velocities at the inlet and outlet of the engine, and the flapper valve which is provided here is mechanically operated. That's all about this engine. Thank you, and we will see a next engine in the next video. Thank you.